Is your Nissan Rogue key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool and a new CR 2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. To begin, locate the seam on your key fob casing. Carefully insert the screwdriver or prying tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be cautious not to scratch the plastic. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Note its orientation, positive side up, is typical before removing it. Insert the new CR 2025 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Finally, snap the fob casing back together until it's securely closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Rogue. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Here are some extra things to keep in mind. Always use a quality CR 2025 battery, like Panasonic or Energizer, to ensure longer life and prevent damage to your fob. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches, and ground yourself to prevent static electricity from damaging the internal circuits. If the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Consult your owner's manual for instructions. As a side note, key fob technology is evolving rapidly. Newer Nissan Rogue models increasingly offer digital key functionality via smartphone apps, reducing reliance on physical fobs. The future may bring rechargeable or even battery-free fobs. For now, keeping your CR 2025 battery fresh is key to keeping your Rogue secure and accessible. Remember to dispose of your old batteries responsibly.